Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in our previous video we learned how to map our horizons. So with the results from the little horizon that we were able to do from the previous video, I'm going to teach you how to make surfaces with your created horizon. And this surface will help give you a contour map. So to create the surface, you come back to your seismic interpretation. You click on make surface. In the make surface, should I say dialog box will appear. You highlight your horizon 1. In the main input section, you click on this arrow to input your horizon 1. After that, you looking at the values here, we need a limit for our horizon. So we tell the software to calculate the limit of the horizons for us because it knows the location and the lithology. So after that it calculates. So this is the minimum x value of our horizon, minimum y value, maximum x, maximum y. This is the width of our horizon, this is the height of our horizon. So after all this, we click apply, then OK. So from the little that we were able to do, the software has been able to create a small contour map for us. So if we were able to complete it, we would have seen a very nice contour map, and it will help us in interpreting our lithology. Again, we will insert our survey so that you see how it looks like. The faults and the contours shouldn't go outside your survey. So looking at this contour surface, it is in line with the surface. The surface, looking at where our faults are, they are also in line with the surface. So thank you for watching this video. In our next video, we will be doing more rough interpretations and more